slowly roasted for 3 hours and marinated in a blend of clove herbs and spices. To complement your cochinillo, Marvin crafted 3 sauces. This is garlic toom, camas marmalade, and bell pepper sauce. Mix it up for all the 3 sauces to appreciate with the cochinillo. Sino kung gusto mag-try magkaka-cochinillo?
Birthday celebrant.
Or 5.
Uy! Grabe naman. Crunchy, crunchy, crunchy. Wow!
That's actually good.
Crunchy nga, crunchy.
That's gonna be crazy photo. That's gonna be so
Kinawawa mo, kuya.
Bigyan lang mo po yung proper na pagkain.
Ganun talaga.